Hi, my name is Matthias. I'm an applications engineer here at ATLANT3D. What I want to show you today is applications of our technology, which is good for materials research and other R&D purpose, but also rapid prototyping of actual devices. On this sample here, we've done different kinds of sensors that are all built from scratch, fully with our technology. We start by doing a base layer of platinum, and then we're able to switch materials and add a layer of oxide, in this case for the sensing element of these devices, and potentially even adding another electrode on top like this. All of this was done in several hours, which takes significantly less time than what you would do in traditional microfabrication. And more importantly, it was all done with one machine, which is the real game changer here. If you've worked in microfabrication in a clean room before, you know that you need to alternate between many machines. You're never really sure if the machine is going to be available for you, if it's going to be working, if it's going to be undergoing maintenance. And here we just use one machine and do everything with one machine. So this is definitely a huge game changer for rapid prototyping of functional devices such as these sensors.